We're learning to Excel, and today I'm going to teach you the if function, the SUMIF function, and COUNTIF function in this simple spreadsheet that hopefully you can take home and use to advance your Excel skills. Here I detail the salesperson, the sales region, the sales category, and the amount of the sale that each salesperson performed. And I want to look at, is the amount over 100K that each salesperson performed? To do this, I'm going to do equals if parentheses logical test. So this is where I'm going to determine, is this sale over 100K or not. So I'm going to do D2, the amount of the sale, greater than 100K, comma, and I want it just to either write yes or no. So if it's true that the salesperson did sell over 100K, I'm going to write quotation marks, yes, end quotation marks, comma, and if it's not true that no, they did not sell over 100K, I want it to write no, quotation marks, N-O, quotation marks, and parentheses. See, I have my yeses and my nos. A yes if the amount of sale is in fact over 100K, a no if it is not. Now we're going to detail sales by region and accumulate the sum of all the sales in the north, south, east, and west regions. To do this, I use my SUMIF function. Just like before, equals SUMIF, parentheses, the range. This is where I'm going to be detailing where I'm choosing all the north, the south, the east, the west. So that's this column B. I'm going to highlight that. Comma the criteria. For first, I just want to look at the north. So that's my criteria. And then the sum range is the amount of sale. End parentheses. And this can detail my total sales in the north region, south, east, and west. Now I'm going to do the amount of each salesperson in that region. Maybe I want to calculate an average of that region, or I just want to look how many salesperson in this region. If I have lower amount of sales and high amount of salesperson, maybe it's time to reallocate my personnel. This is very similar to the SUMIF function, except instead of that sum, we're just doing a count. So count if, parentheses, the range, again, the sales by region, comma, then the criteria, same as the SUMIF function. I'm going to click cell H2, end parentheses, and this details how many salespeople I have in each region. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something today.